if you are new here, we're Daudu and Esther. We are Nigerian couples and we're filming from Japan. We're currently living in Japan. Why are you hiding on my back?
It's not hiding. It's taking cover.
We're currently filming from Japan. We hope you enjoyed today's video. So today we're doing something a little bit different from like the usual thing you guys do.
Very unusual.
It's really unusual.
It's not unusual. Actually, we've tried something similar to it before.
Yeah, we have. So anyway, guys, today we want to go out to eat. Yeah, I will be trying to eat sushi for the first time, guys.
I don't know. She has.
I don't know how it's going to be like.
I actually don't even know what she has. The problem she has with raw food, like raw meat, fish. I don't know.
I just don't like it. Like, I don't really imagine myself like eating sushi. Like, he's been telling me to go and try sushi for a very long time, guys. But I've been
eat
like,
anything. So
and you eat anything, but like that sushi thing is just
not anything, but anything.
The sushi thing is just not. I don't know how to put it, but let's see how it goes today. I'm going to try to eat sushi, and I hope I like it and I'm able to go back next time for it.
She's going to give you guys a review.
I'll give you guys my review about it.
You'll not review from the way she starts making her mouth look like that.
Babe, stop. I really hope it goes well, guys. Stay tuned, and yeah, I'll see you in the sushi restaurant. Inside and I'm trying to get a seat number. Just waiting for that. Max off. Ready to eat sushi. So we're basically just trying to look through and see which would be better for me to try as a first timer. Yeah, so I really don't know much about sushi, so who is going to be the one to pick the one I should try first as a first timer. So we're going to be making our order from the screen and just like click on which sushi or like whatever we want to order, and it will just come to us. Yeah, so that's what we're trying to do. So once it clicks like okay, it comes to us, so we're just waiting, and yeah, it should come soon. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Guys, the sushi is here. I really don't know how to feel right now. Like, I'm finally going to be using sushi for the first time. So yeah, the stuff goes back, the train goes back. So, our sushi is here, guys. It's gonna taste like, oh my god. I'm having some kind of feeling trying this.
Oh, big.
What? Okay, so this is like hand wipe. Did you order for something else? Something is coming again.
I don't know. Not really. I just
clicked on different things.
Oh, something is coming.
Something is coming. Our train is here. With more food. It's back. So this is it, guys. So we're supposed to take this with green tea, and yeah, it's free. So we just make the green tea and take with the sushi. That's how you're supposed to take it. Yeah. Yeah. We have the soy sauce. Okay, so I'm going to try it now. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah. See and try with me. Real quick.
The soy sauce. Okay.
Are you ready to go? Keep it with this. Try this one.
This one. So, find this one first. This is it. So they just like this, right?
Yeah. Try feel it. Don't put too much sauce. It will be too salty.
Are you serious?
Yeah. How do you feel?
Trying to figure out how it tastes. Oh my god. Actually tastes nice.
Because it is nice.
It tastes really nice. Are you serious? Is this real? It tastes really good.
Oh, it's nice.
Are you serious? I think this was how it was.
It's plenty, right?
So it tastes good.
Very spicy.
It tastes
I'm not tasting it.
spicy.
Yeah, it's nice.
ご案内です。カウンター席お願いします。
Okay guys, what I was thinking in my mind is actually different from
Oh yeah, tasty.
what I'm tasting. Like I feel like how is it going to taste and all of that, but it tastes really, really, really nice and way different from how I thought it was going to be.
How you feel everything?
So guys, it tasted way different from the way I thought it was going to be. Like I was expecting something really, really different. Like I didn't know I was even going to go like after the first round or even swallow the first round. That was how bad I've always pictured sushi. But like it tasted way better, and I think I'll be trying this like more. Boo was just enjoying it, like he was into it. So guys, we played a game and we won a free sushi.
We won. Baby deal. So you want for
So after all the sushi, I had to order for dessert. And he has been eating and enjoying it. Yummy, right? So yeah, this is what I'm going to be taking last today. So we've consumed.
This is my off day, so I'm not just in the mood.
Today you're not in the mood to eat. So it's mine. and this one.
This one only mine, no?
Yes, that's yours, babe. Look at mine here and this one.
You ate more than this.
That's not true.
Just 100 yen.
So this was what we ordered, guys. Oh, this is just one roll, 10 items, so 10 food. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Sushi.
Hi guys.
Hello, guys.
So we are done eating.
How was
It didn't taste bad. It didn't taste bad. It was really cool actually. Like, you know when you expect something to taste like really different from like what you think. For example, strawberry. Stop it, babe. For example, strawberry taste. It looks like it's going to taste really, really sweet, but when you taste it, you just feel like it's just there. Why are you taking it closer?
Because you are lying.
I'm not lying. I'm serious. So, guys, it was actually okay to me. I think I would definitely eat more.
Okay, what was, if between 1 to 10, what's your rating? Don't lie. Between 1 to 10,
okay, between 1 to 10, I'll say 7. No, I'll say 7 actually.
My baby,
like
that
what I expected.
My baby that I know, you see that 7 means 4.
Jesus, I'm serious. Like what I expected was like, I don't know, like, you know, raw food. Like she tastes awkward or something, but it didn't really taste like that. With the sauce and everything, it tasted really, really nice. So
Okay,
guys,
it tasted great. Yeah.
hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. You enjoyed seeing me eat sushi for the first time, and we'll bring more vlogs to you guys. See you in the next one. We love you and
Peace out.
bye.